what's this? Glory Alley is finally recording for once in her life? What? So, yep, guys, I'm recording again. Yep, you can see me in my beautiful face right here. Look at, wow. And, this beautiful, snowman, beautiful creation thingy right here is the reason I started recording this video. So, of course, Min Moose Den, aka Alden 2.0, and, I was just going around and I was creating my outfits because I actually got the new membership bundle, and all my outfits were ruined, so I was just recreating them. So, and I really like this outfit, and I was just asking people, jag me if you think my outfit is hot, and people did jag me, but they didn't just jag me. They also sent me gifts. So I buddied this person, Icyytea. Mwah, what a beautiful username. I also jagged them back. Thank you very much. Also, this person said that my outfit was hot. They said I could be a model. I mean, like, look at this outfit. Of course I could be a model. Just look at it. That is model worthy. So, I buddied both of them. Also, these, I just want to record, and this is just like from a giveaway, like, for Valentine's Day. So, thank you for the holiday sweater. That's very nice of you. And then I also won again. And thank you for this Diamond Phantom. I don't know what that's worth, but, like, that's fun. I'll delete one of them because they're both the exact same jammogram. So, Icyytea apparently really loves my outfit. I gave them some inspiration because they sent me a yellow long wristband spiked like wristband spiky wristband. What? So thank you so much, Icyytea, for that. That is pure beauty. I'm going to sadly have to get rid of that gemmogram because yeah. But I will keep the one from Bionics. So, like, thank you, you two, or you three, for that stuff. So, like, thank you. Icyytea and Bionics was, like, here somewhere. Wow! This is crazy. I'm kind of sick right now. But that's so crazy. Oh my gosh. So, thank you, Icyytea and Bionics, for those two hot messages and some nice hot rares. And you know what? Because I have a lot of time in this video, in their honor, I'm going to be making an outfit with that yellow long wristband spiked, yellow long wristband spiked, spiky spike. Yeah. So, I'll use this fox outfit. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing with this outfit. Definitely need some work. Just going to wait for it to load. Do 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 do. And thank you, Icyytea and Bionics, for those messages and the hot rares. Okay, in the honor of them. Oh, that was some weird lag. Ooh, look at that. I am looking fancy. We got a nice little trooper. Ooh, we're trooper. Okay, I am really laggy. I'm going to have to go to my den right now because it is super laggy. Okay, here we are in my den. Apparently this is less laggy, but you know what? It's still laggy. But no one cares, so, like, I'm just going to, yeah. Oh my god, wait, I just realized. Hallelujah, hallelujah, I can match. This is like a miracle right now. It's all coming together, piece by piece. Oh yes. Some golden wings. Yeah, that looks great. Okay, we're gonna of course just go with that. And with the yellow, that looks like P, so we're going to change that. We're gonna just change it to the normal fox look. There we go. I have and links. So proud of you. So yeah, thank you guys for this. And guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace!